This video is on how to register on e-filing portal for a tax deductor or a tax collector. Registering on e-filing portal is a pre-login service available to all tax deductor or tax collectors who want to access the e-filing portal. This registration service enables the users to access and track all tax-related activities. In order to register a TAN on an e-filing portal, you should have a valid and active TAN, and the PAN of the principal contact should be registered on the e-filing portal. Let us now look at step by step how do we register a tax deductor or a tax collector on the e-filing portal. First of all, go to the e-filing portal homepage and click register on the right hand side. On the registration page, you can register as others and select the category as tax deductor and tax collector. You would be required to enter the TAN of the organization and then click on validate. If the TAN is available in the database and registered with the traces, you can click on continue to view the basic details page. Please note that the registration request should not be already raised and pending for approval. The basic details are pre-filled. You can click on continue button. There could be another situation where the TAN is available in the database but it is not registered with the traces. In this situation, you would be required to click on continue to view the traces page. On the traces page, you would be required to register with traces, and then you will be taken to the e-filing registration page where you can now register on e-filing to view the basic details page. However, if the TAN is available in the database and the registration request is already raised and pending for approval, in that situation an error message will be displayed and you can choose to withdraw the registration process. Once the basic detail page is confirmed by you, here you would be required to give the residential status, PAN, last name, first name, date of birth and gender of the person responsible for making payments or collecting tax, and then click on continue button. Please note that you are required to provide data as per PAN. On clicking the continue button, details entered will be validated with PAN. The person responsible for making payment or collecting tax must be registered with the e-filing portal. DSC of the PAN of the person responsible for making payment or collecting tax must be registered with the e-filing portal. If you have a single name, then it is advisable that you enter only in the last name field. You would be further required to enter the contact details including the primary mobile number, email ID and postal address of the person making payment or collecting tax, and then click on continue button. 2 OTPs will be sent on your primary mobile number and email ID. You would be required to enter the 6-digit OTPs received on your mobile number and email ID and then click on continue button. Please note that the OTP will be valid for 15 minutes only and you have 3 attempts to enter the correct OTP. The OTP expiry countdown timer on the screen tells you when the OTP will expire. On clicking resend OTP, a new OTP will be generated and sent to you. You can verify the details of the person responsible for making payment or collecting tax. If required, you can edit the details and then click on confirm button. You would then be required to set the password. You can enter your desired password in both set password and confirm password text boxes. You can set your personalized message and then click on register button. Kindly note that it is not advisable to click refresh or back. While entering the new password, please be careful of the password policy. Once the registration is successful, a success message will be displayed along with the transaction ID. You are advised to please keep a note of the transaction ID for future reference. The registration process is complete upon receiving approval from the competent authority. Registering a TAN on the e-filing portal is very easy. For more information, you can visit our website, contact our helpline numbers.